Your business data often exists across multiple systems. IBM Cognos Analytics helps bring it together for unified analytics. In this tutorial, we'll create data source connections and combine them into a single data module. First, set up a data source connection. From the Welcome page, click the Open menu. Select New, then choose Data Servers. This is where you configure how Cognos connects to your databases. Let's create a Microsoft SQL Server connection. Select Microsoft SQL Server as your connection type. Now fill in your connection details. For authentication, I'm using my own credentials, but you can choose the authentication method that matches your environment. Enter your username and password, then click Test Connection. Once you see the success message, your SQL Server is ready. Specify the command types. Then finally select the assets you want to import for use. With your connection established, let's build a data module that combines them. Go to the Open menu, select New, then Data Module. The Select Sources dialog appears, showing all available sources. Click Data Servers, and you'll see the connections that you just created, your SQL Server and existing connections. Select the tables you want. Let's grab Go Sales Database. Here's where it gets powerful. Click Add Source to bring in your DB2 data. Select Data Servers again. Choose your DB2 connection. Pick your schema and select the tables you need. Click OK, and now you have SQL Server and DB2 tables working together in one data module. But we're not done. Click Add Source again. This time select the CSV file, and it uploads automatically. You've now built a unified data module that seamlessly integrates SQL Server, DB2, and CSV, three different sources working together for comprehensive analysis and reporting. With IBM Cognos Analytics, powerful data integration is both simple and fast.